GoHighLevel is the ultimate all-in-one platform designed to help marketers, agencies, and entrepreneurs scale their businesses effortlessly. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools for CRM, email marketing, automation, funnel building, and client management, then GoHighLevel is exactly what you need. And the best part? You can get a 14-day free trial of the SaaS Pro Plan by clicking the link in the video description below. With HighLevel, you can consolidate everything into one powerful system, eliminating the need for tools like ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, Zapier, and even HubSpot. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions, GoHighLevel gives you a streamlined and automated solution that takes care of lead generation, follow-ups, appointment scheduling, and even white-label SaaS reselling if you choose the Pro Plan. This means that not only can you use the platform to scale your own business, but you can also resell it to clients as your own branded software, generating recurring revenue. The SaaS Pro Plan is where HighLevel truly shines, offering features that go beyond what traditional marketing platforms provide. With advanced automation, you can create custom workflows that nurture leads, close deals, and maintain client relationships on autopilot. You also get full white label capabilities, allowing you to brand the software as your own, from the dashboard to the emails sent out. On top of that, the Pro Plan includes automated billing, making it easy to manage subscriptions and collect payments without manual intervention. And if you love data-driven decision-making, GoHighLevel provides detailed analytics and reports, so you can optimize your strategies and boost conversions. Setting up your GHL Pro free trial is quick and easy. Simply click the link in the video description below, sign up, and you'll have full access to the Pro Plan for 14 days, completely risk-free. This means you get to explore everything from pipeline management and automated follow-ups to multi-channel marketing campaigns, sales funnels, and reputation management, all without paying a dime up front. Whether you're a digital marketing agency, a freelancer, or a business owner looking to streamline operations, this trial gives you the perfect opportunity to experience how GoHighLevel can revolutionize your business. What makes HighLevel truly special is its ability to replace multiple tools and simplify your workflow, allowing you to focus on growing your business instead of managing software. Imagine having an all-in-one marketing automation system that saves time, increases efficiency, and maximizes revenue, all while being incredibly easy to use. That's exactly what HighLevel delivers. Plus, the community support and training materials available ensure that even new users can get started quickly and see results fast. If you're serious about scaling your agency, automating client acquisition, or launching your own SaaS business, HighLevel's Pro Plan is the perfect solution. There's no reason to wait. Click the link now to activate your 14-day free trial and experience the power of GoHighLevel firsthand. Don't miss this chance to transform your business with the most powerful automation platform available today.